Ever wondered how to create a comic book with AI? Well, today we have a treat for you. We're journeying into the exciting realm of comic creation, where we'll explore how artificial intelligence can be a game changer. This isn't just about letting a machine do all the work. Oh no! It's about blending your unique creativity and storytelling skills with the power of AI to bring your vision to life. Creating a comic book with AI is like embarking on a fascinating adventure, where each step opens up new possibilities. From developing the storyline and characters, to choosing the visual concept, and even selecting the perfect AI tool for your masterpiece, the journey is as thrilling as the destination. And fear not, whether you're a seasoned comic creator or a beginner, this guide is designed to help you every step of the way. So, are you ready to blend your creativity with AI? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First things first, your comic needs a compelling storyline and intriguing characters. This is the heart of your comic book, the engine that drives your narrative forward. Think of a captivating story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Then, bring your story to life with characters. Craft each character's background, their unique personalities, their motivations and conflicts. Remember, characters are the soul of your story. They make your readers care about what happens next. Once you have a strong storyline and characters, we move on to scripting. Now, it's time to bring your story to life with engaging dialogues and narration. You see, scripting is the bridge between your imagination and the final comic book. It's where you'll translate your characters' personalities and your storyline into written form. Start with the dialogues. They should be natural, reflecting each character's unique voice and adding depth to their personalities. Next, craft your narration. This will guide your readers through the story, providing context where needed. Remember, your script also needs to include panel descriptions. These are brief snippets of information that tell the artist, or in this case, the AI, what is happening in each scene. Keep your script concise. Every word should drive the story forward, but also ensure it's engaging. You want your readers to be hooked from the first panel to the last. With your script ready, let's shift our focus to the visual concept. The visual concept is crucial in determining the look and feel of your comic. This is where your comic begins to take on its own unique personality, setting it apart from others. It's all about the art style and overall visual concept. Think of your art style as the language of your comic. It communicates the tone, mood, and even the theme of your story. It can be anything from realistic to cartoonish, intricate to minimalist. It's your world, so let your imagination run wild. The overall visual concept, on the other hand, is like a unifying thread that ties every panel together. It's the color palette you use, the way you shade your characters, the kind of backgrounds you design. It's what makes your comic visually coherent and aesthetically pleasing. So, sketch out your ideas, play with colors, experiment with styles. Remember, there's no right or wrong here, only what works best for your story. With the visual concept in place, it's time to select your AI tool. Choosing the right AI tool can make a massive difference in your comic creation journey. In this digital age, a plethora of AI tools are at your disposal, and the best part, many of them are free. Two such tools that stand out are the Deep Dream Generator and Runway ML, both of which are fantastic options for budding comic creators. The Deep Dream Generator, as it sounds, is a tool that can transform your comic ideas into dreamlike imagery. It's like having your own digital artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. You can use it to generate unique and visually appealing character designs and scene backgrounds. On the other hand, we have Runway ML, a tool that offers a range of machine learning models. With Runway ML, you can experiment with different styles and techniques, giving you the freedom to create diverse and dynamic comic scenes. The key here is to let AI do the heavy lifting of generating elements. But remember, it's your vision that guides the AI. You have the power to adjust and tweak AI-generated elements to fit your storyline and characters. So go ahead, explore these tools, and let your creativity run wild. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. It's all about expressing your unique perspective. Once you've generated your characters and scenes, we can start designing the layout and panels. The layout and coloring of your comic play a vital role in its overall appeal. Designing the layout of each page is a crucial step in the comic creation process. This involves deciding where each panel goes and how they interact with each other. You can think of panels as individual scenes in a movie. They should flow naturally, guiding your reader's eye through the story. Now you might be wondering, how do I decide on the layout? Well, this is where AI comes to the rescue. Free AI tools can give you layout suggestions based on your story and art style. They can also help in resizing and rearranging panels for optimum visual impact. Remember, the layout should not only look good, but also make the story easy to follow. Once the layout is ready, it's time to add colors. Colors can set the mood of your comic, highlight important elements, and bring your characters to life. But coloring can be quite a task, right? Not anymore. With AI-based coloring tools, you can add colors to your comic in a jiffy. These tools can suggest color palettes, fill in colors, and even help you experiment with different color schemes. Always remember though that AI is a tool, not the artist. It's your vision that breathes life into the comic. So, feel free to tweak the AI suggestions to match your artistic style. With the layout and coloring done, we are ready to add dialogues and text. Lettering is an art in itself, and it's crucial for readability and flow. It's not just about choosing a fancy font, but about ensuring that your dialogues and narrative texts are easily readable and fit within the visual aesthetics of your comic. You can use a comic book lettering tool to add these texts, and remember, it's always about balancing style and clarity. After the lettering, it's time for a comprehensive review. This is where you ensure that your comic is coherent and consistent. Check the flow of the story, the placement of your dialogues, and the visual continuity. Look out for any discrepancies or elements that seem out of place. Remember, it's all about the details. Don't hesitate to make edits and adjustments. The beauty of working with AI is that it allows you to tweak and refine until you achieve your vision. Now that your comic looks perfect, it's time to prepare it for the world. The final steps involve exporting, publishing, and promoting your comic. Now that you've created your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Firstly, you need to export your comic book pages in a suitable format. This could be as simple as saving each panel as a PNG file, or compiling all the pages into a single PDF document. Remember, the goal is to preserve the quality of your artwork, so choose a format that maintains the integrity of your visuals. Next, we move on to publishing. This could be online or in print, depending on your preference. There are numerous online platforms where you can publish your comic for free, like Webtoon or Tapas. For a more traditional route, consider self-publishing in print. It's an exciting way to see your work in a tangible form. Lastly, don't forget about promotion. Share your comic on social media platforms, on your website, or even through email newsletters. Reach out to comic book forums, join online communities, and engage with other creators. The more you put your work out there, the more likely it is to get noticed. And there you have it. From brainstorming a storyline to promoting your finished comic, you've journeyed through the entire process of creating a comic with AI. Congratulations, you've just created your comic with AI. Remember to experiment with different tools and keep refining your storytelling skills. And there you have it, a complete guide on creating a comic book using AI. We've journeyed through the steps, from crafting a compelling storyline and characters to leveraging AI tools for visual generation and layout design, coloring, and lettering. Remember, while AI is a fantastic assistant, your creativity is the true hero of the story. So, mix the magic of your imagination with the power of AI to create captivating comics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep creating.